Solve the equation 9 to the x take away 3 to the x plus 1 equals 10, given your answer as an exact base 3 logarithm. Now, you can't just take logs to start with. If you do that, on the left-hand side, you'd end up with this. And we don't have a log law that deals with a subtraction in the middle. So that would take us nowhere. You also can't take logs term by term. So you can't do this type of thing. That doesn't work either. And you know that 3 plus 4 equals 7, but 3 squared plus 4 squared is not equal to 7 squared. So squaring is something you can't do term by term either. So you can't do logs term by term. This is a type of question that you need to just start to recognize with a bit of practice. So 9, I know, is 3 squared. So 9 to the x is 3 squared to the x. 3 to the x plus 1 is 3 to the x times 3 to the 1, just using an index law. So I can say that's 3 times 3 to the x. And what I'm going to do is bring the 10 over. We also know that a to the m to the n is the same as having a to the n to the n, because it doesn't matter what order you multiply in. So what I can do here is say that that's 3 to the x squared, take away 3 times 3 to the x, take away 10, equals 0. And you might recognize that as a quadratic. You'll certainly recognize it if I say let y equal 3 to the x. And then what you'll have is y squared minus 3y minus 10 equals 0. We can factorize that one. We've got y take away 5 and y plus 2. So y is equal to 5 or y equals negative 2. But remember, y is 3 to the x. So that's 3 to the x equals 5 or 3 to the x equals negative 2. And we know that that one is not possible. There's no power of x that would make 3 into a negative number. So we're just left with this one. And we were told to use log to the base 3. So log to the base 3 of 3 to the x is log to the base 3 of 5. Using a log law, that's x log to the base 3 of 3 is equal to log to the base 3 of 5. And of course, log to the base 3 of 3 is 1. So x is log to the base 3 of 5.